Hi guys, today I will explain how to create Instagram posts in Clipchamp. This process is really simple and easy, and as you all know that Instagram posts ratio are different from other one, like from TikTok and from Facebook. So in order to create an Instagram post in Clipchamp, what you have to do, open your application and import your media and Clipchamp. Once you do all these things here, you can see the size of this video is wide. It's not for the Instagram posts, so for changing it to Instagram, tap on the size icon, and here you will see multiple aspect ratio like this one is for Instagram Reels and TikTok. But you don't have to tap on this one, because below it, you can see the option of Instagram post. Just click on it. Now you can see the size has been changed to Instagram post. Now add your video or anything by clicking on this plus icon, and then adjust the size of your video. And now your video is useful for Instagram post, and it was the way by which you can create Instagram post in Clipchamp.